Hello, everyone. My name is Eva, and I am 20 years old. Today, I want to share with you about my wonderful family. I live with my mom, dad, and little brother. My mom's name is Laura. She is kind and loves to cook. My dad's name is John, and he is very funny, always telling great stories. My brother, David, is 10 years old and loves playing soccer. Every morning, we have breakfast together. My mom makes delicious pancakes, and we talk and laugh a lot. After breakfast, my dad goes to work. He is a doctor, while my mom takes care of the house. I go to university, where I study English. I love learning new words. David goes to school. He is in 5th grade and enjoys math and science. In the afternoons, I help my mom with chores. We clean the house and water the plants. Sometimes, we bake cookies together. David comes home from school at 3 p.m. and always has many stories to share. On weekends, we do fun activities together. We go to the park for picnics, play soccer, and watch movies. Our favorite movie is Toy Story, which always makes us laugh. We also enjoy trips to the beach, where we build sandcastles and swim in the sea. Our family has a playful dog named Max. He loves running around the yard and chasing squirrels. One day, Max got sick, and we were all very worried. My dad took him to the vet, and after some medicine and care, Max recovered. We were so happy when he started running again. During holidays, we visit my grandparents, who live in another city. They are very kind. My grandma makes the best apple pie, and my grandpa tells fascinating stories about his youth. At Christmas, we decorate our house with a big tree. David and I hang ornaments, while my parents put up the lights. On Christmas Eve, we open presents, sing songs, and enjoy a big dinner together. Last year, something exciting happened. My aunt had a baby named Leo. He is very cute, and we love playing with him. Like any family, we sometimes have disagreements. David and I might argue about toys, and my parents might have small disagreements, but we always make up. We say sorry, hug each other, and remember how much we love one another. One of my favorite traditions is Sunday dinner. Every week, we have a big meal together. My mom makes roast chicken and vegetables, and we share stories about our week. One Sunday, my dad tried to cook dinner to surprise my mom, but he burned the chicken, filling the kitchen with smoke. We all laughed so much, and my mom saved the dinner. One of my best memories is from a trip to the mountains. We went hiking, saw beautiful views, and sat around a campfire at night. My dad told us scary stories, and we roasted marshmallows to make s'mores. It was a perfect trip. My family is very important to me. They support me and make me feel loved. I am truly lucky to have them. One day, I hope to travel the world with them, visit Paris, see the Eiffel Tower, try French food, and take David to Disneyland. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.